How to redeem free Whataburger. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. Start by moving into your application Whataburger. Enter your login credentials as in your email address and the password, and then log into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this home page. Once you're in this page, click on View Benefits right beside Rewards. Tons of different rewards will be available to you. If you want to redeem, you have to complete all of these steps. After that, go back and head over to Rewards at the bottom. All of the rewards that you have earned will be available to you in this page. In order for you to redeem it, all you gotta do is click on the reward that you want to redeem, and then tap on Redeem Now. If it is valid enough, then you will successfully redeem a free Whataburger, and then you'll be good to go. So that's a wrap for this video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.